Oh, it's shooting something. Hi, I'm out here with Leslie. We're gonna shoot this chimney rock thing. The lighting's not so great, but I think we can make something happen.
Leave me, leave me. I know you wanna leave me, leave me, leave me. I know you wanna leave me.
Wow, these guys just found a covered bridge. I'm gonna see if I can make a photo opportunity of this. This here's the Dayton Market, which is a collection of all these different shops, crafts, collectibles.
One of my favorites too.
I am here at Landscapes in Miniature with Pam. She makes these tiny, tiny, tiny literal landscapes in miniature that are made out of like moss and lichen and tiny stones and miniature. They don't have much of a sign here. Oh no, there it is. That's our Route 11. We're on our Route 11 chip factory tour. Route 11's potato chips store hours Monday through whenever we want. Oh, Monday through Saturday, 9 to 5. We happen to be on Route 11 down here, so let's check this out. Actually, this is really damn good. Please do not take pictures of our production areas. Thank you, the Route 11. Oh, sadly I can't show you the chip manufacturing process, but I can show you here the store that we've got available to us.
Put your hand on the bag.
The bag is still warm.
Yeah, it just came off the line.
No way.
Yeah.
That's actually pretty cool.
I mean, that's fresh.
So yeah, I'd like to be able to show you how they make the chips. They've got a really nice setup here with different windows and the process behind them, but they won't let me take pictures of what's going on back there. Maybe if I write to them, I can get permission to come do that. So until such time that they let me come back there, I'll just eat the chips. I saw this guy working in the factory back there. Chesapeake crab.
Those are pretty good too.
Well, they are. And the Mamazumas. How spicy are they?
Very.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, give it a minute.
Okay, I've changed my mind. Those are really spicy. I'm going to take some of these back to my friends in India.